Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be looking at the Sony Xperia XZ3 and I'm going to be showing you how to block a number from your phone. So there's two ways of blocking a number. So first of all, if you have a number stored, then you can block it, but also if you have a number that isn't stored, I will show you how to add that. So without me blabbering on anymore, let's just get straight into it. So first and foremost, I'm going to go to the phone, and let's say, for example, this top person I wanted to block, so I'm just going to hold it in, and you can see, let me just adjust this and bring it closer. There we go. It gives you an option to block number. So let me try that again. Hold it in, and there we go. Block number. So let's just tap on that, and you will no longer receive calls from this number. So there we go. Let's block that. Okay, so now I have showed you how to block a number from your call log. The next thing we're going to do is add a number that isn't already in the call log. So I'm still in the phone icon, and I'm going to hit this button, the three dots in the top right hand corner. Let's tap on that, and then let's go to settings. So in here you can see block numbers. Let's tap on the block numbers option. You can see there's the number that I blocked, and then you can also see that you can add a number. So all you have to do in here is type in the phone number that you want to block. So let's just type anything, blah 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 blah, blah. Block, and now that has been added to the block list. Now if you wanted to take these numbers off, if you blocked somebody by mistake, then all you have to do is hit this X button. It says, do you want to unblock? Unblock, and there we go. That is how to block a number on the Sony Xperia XZ3, and also how to unblock it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, then welcome to my channel. I am Supreme Guru and I do tech tutorial videos on Android, but also on iOS, iPhones. So if this is something that you're interested in, then why not subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.